Mount what you want. This versatile bracket is designed to mount what you want to your vehicle. Great for an antenna, light, or flag. VERSITILE design, made for antennas, flags, small LED spotlights. This versatile bracket offers 180 degrees of rotation. Easy installation on roof racks or the Pioneer system using a C-channel mount and direct attachment to most popular bull bar brands. Can be perpendicular or parallel mounted. BUIT Tough Durable, made of robust powder-coated steel for maximum durability and corrosion resistance. Anti-rotation hardware can be fixed by hand. Folding mechanism. Folding mechanism can be mounted perpendicular or parallel to the vehicle. Easily route cables, designed with a large internal space for hardware cabling. Easy transition. Easy to change the height of your antenna by folding it down, especially when coming into town after traveling off-road. Better reception. The elevated antenna position allows for greater reception. Specs. Post hole dimension, 17 mm. Mounting hole diameter, 13 mm. Warranty. 3-year limited manufacturer warranty. The Rhino-Rack folding aerial bracket is designed with versatility in mind, offering 180 degrees of rotation for aerials, antennas, flags, small LEDs and spotlights. The bracket can be installed to roof racks and Pioneer systems and using a C-channel mount and direct attachment to most popular bull bar brands. The bracket also has the option of perpendicular or parallel mounting. Made of robust fabricated steel for maximum durability and with large internal space for protecting cables and hardware. This product can make your life easier when transitioning from city to bush driving, quickly changing the height of your vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Great for van life. Great option for WeBoost on my ProMaster roof rack. I keep antenna in full 4 mode, just lay it down when necessary.